So here we have some bands, replacement silicone bands for the Fitbit Charge 2. And it's always good to get replacement bands. This company has 4. You can buy them individually, I think, but I think it was a good deal to buy them with the 4, the packet of 4. And the one I chose was the one with the gray, coffee or brown, red and black. And these, if you look at them, they technically look exactly like the original Fitbit bands. So I really like this. These are one of the best set of replacement bands I came across. So let's replace them on the Fitbit. Let's see. And you're getting 4. So you can always match up your colors. I'll buy another set with another different set of colors. So let's see, which one do I want to try? Which color? Any, mini, miny, mo. Ketchup, everybody too. Let's do red. Let's brighten things up. So we have the red. We have black. We have the coffee or brown. And we have the gray. Alright, and this is the description on the bag. And I'll put a link in the description below so you go straight to Amazon and get it. And we will be using the red for demonstration. Ooh, it feels really nice and light. It feels really light. Okay, so let's do that. So this is the red. See, it matches the width, everything. So here, press and push away. There you go. And then line up and push towards you until you hear the click. And there you go, easy like that. You hear the click. Ooh, red. Okay, next side. Press and push away from you to put on. Line it up like that, and pull towards you. And you hear the click, and there it is. Ooh, now this looks good. And here is it on. It feels really good. I have a large hand, so therefore it fits, and it has more room. So definitely for a medium and small hand, it will fit. I totally recommend this. I give this 10 stars. Well, no, 12 stars. This is great. This is a great product. It fits real good. The colors. I'm going to buy another set with different colors right now. This is a very good silicone replacement bands for your Fitbit Charge 2. Everybody go and get it. The link is in the description. Love it. And here we have it again. And this will be just to take it off, to show you how easy it is to take it off. Press and pull away from you. There you go. Alright. And then press and pull away. Easy like that. So you can always replace them. Thank you for watching this video. Go and buy this product. I totally recommend this product. Totally. Love it.